Let's now show our appreciation for supply chain, which plays a very critical role in society. It's time to share the nominations for Excellence in Supply Chain 2022 Large with you. Everybody on screen, let's have a look at the nominations. And to give away this award, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Mukul Agarwal, President Manufacturing Deepak Fertilizers, to come on stage to do the honors. I'd also like to invite Sujata to please join us on stage to do the honors. Let's see who the runner-up here is. Well, let's clap and welcome Mahindra Excello, everybody. Mahindra Intertrade Limited, winning the runner-up. Let's have a look who is winning this award away. Excellence in Supply Chain 2022 Large, and the award goes to Hyundai Motors India, Tamil Nadu, everybody. Let's hear it for them. On screen, let's take you to Excellence in Supply Chain 2022 SME. Here are the nominees on screen for you. Let's have a look who is taking the runner-up. Excellence in Supply Chain 2022 SME. Runner-up goes to DuPont, everyone. DuPont Specialty Products India Private Limited. Can we clap and welcome them, everybody? Time to welcome the winner on stage. Let's see who that is. Well, it goes to Standine India Private Limited. Let's hear it loudly for them, everybody.